Back at it again, YouTube. Day after Christmas, man. Was kicking ass in Domino's last night. Yes, sir. But anyways, crashed out early. But been up kind of early. Headed to the wrecking yard before I head out. I'm on the hunt for parts. Stay tuned. Yard, first victim coming soon. Back at it, YouTube. I think Classic shot this a while back. I'm at U Pull It off of Jefferson. Thing's pretty stripped. Pretty good. Stripped pretty good. Got some doors on her. Clean doors too. All four pretty clean, solid. Seats. Nothing I need up front. Might take these in the fender wells. They're in good shape. Both of them. And it's already off, so. Well, the fender's already off, so in the fender wells easy to pop. All right, y'all. Down this bumper. That's all I need right here. Bust down Tatiana. Alright, YouTube, I'm back in the car. I had to shut that last clip off a little bit earlier because when I was working on that about Chevy, a man, older man, you know what I'm saying? Older man. And an older lady, he was walking by, he was talking crazy to her. Like crazy to her. So I just continue to work. And then when I was shooting the video on the way back, like he got super out of pocket. So I turned the video off and I was like, man, you ain't gotta talk to her like that. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm tough, but you know, I don't be boasting and bragging about fighting or doing none of that bullshit because it is what it is. But I ain't no, I ain't no chump. But at the end of the day, man, y'all can do that at the privacy of y'all own home. Like, it had to take something in me to move, something to move me to say something to the dude. Like, you know what I'm saying? She kept saying, you ain't finna be hitting on me. You ain't finna be hitting on me. I'm like, man, listen here. The first time I just ignored it because it ain't none of my business. You know what I'm saying? But something had to move me. But anyways, let me show y'all what I got from the yard. I'm gonna makeshift me a radiator cover. This is off of 88 DeVille, Cadillac DeVille, big boy. So I'm gonna have to beat it up, you know what I'm saying? Scratch it up, clean it up, bend it up. And then I got another one of these shock absorbers because the one I had, I did the measurements off of it. That one was off a little bit too. Like, I don't know how I did that wrong, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So I just got another. And I didn't wind up getting those inner fenders because, man, there was just too much going on, man. Like, after all that happened, I was like, man, I'm ready to go. Like, so, all right, man, thanks for y'all watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. And just, at the end of the day, man, just stay 10 toes down. Like, all that boasting and bragging in front of everybody, man, you can do that in the privacy of your own home, you know. But y'all have a good New Year's. 2021 coming soon.